All right, in this first video, let's talk about choosing your weight for your dumbbells. Now, as these videos progress, some of these movements are going to look kind of silly because we're holding such small dumbbells, but we're doing that very much on purpose just to show you that this is how you do this with what you have. So the most challenging movement, I think, in this whole thing is what are called lateral raises, where you're just going to bring your arms up like this. And when you've got weight clear out here, it gets heavy really fast. So keep in mind, as you're choosing what weight to start with, you're going to be doing this. And don't be afraid to be that person in the aisle at the store checking to see how much those dumbbells weigh. So
you could switch them up though too. Like if you have the capacity to have more than one set of dumbbells, I mean, I drop weight. I do a lighter dumbbell when I'm doing those. So you don't have to like just have one dumbbell for everything.
Right. We're just trying to tell you that you can.
Right.
But if you have the capacity to buy more, then those stacks that you can buy at Costco, that'd be a great place to start. So what I would say is the number that pops into your head about how many pounds you need to do, cut that number in half. That's where to start. Right? And then as you get stronger, upgrade. Also, it's March when we're recording this, so if you see our breath, we have to turn the heater off in our garage so you can hear us. So literally just go to the store, find your dumbbells, take that number you have in mind, cut it in half, and then just see how it feels as you bring it up like this. Okay? These are 8-pounders, and I can tell you that that movement is going to get spicy as you progress. So I might even drop to a 5 and just start with 5s. All right?
So that means I'll do heavier.
She probably will. Okay, let's get started.